Help yourself for me now about the bastard call channel so Yankopon asundi and come in and yam kese. And idea I person discuss no a simple way but a be working coffee be emotions and your feelings. Aha. Video me person me draw your parents no attention. My question is who do you open up to? Wow, show me. Why na would to me open up to? Papa and now mommy and both of them. A bear was saying nipa be to akase none. Why? Because parents no unavailable. Ebusia for when the video and answer discussion be hit the like button. The alcohol say when we bring up these kind of topics, people are not interested. But I know in daily life. What I say, I know you go through our personal daily life. What I say, you can try to ignore, but personally, you know, say you are going through this kind of thing. Now me baby sa ni bio. Why na utumi bio mu e ka won sem e kire no. O papa ana o maami. Man planning message we me hu ayi bi o Facebook. And I me draw conclusion na me created this particular video no. Papa, ana mami, wo ba no otumi open up. E kind of problem e de kire. Ana so why so busy. Upesika. After me who the current so many Africans broken. We are broken emotionally because of these things. Our parents are unavailable. They are thinking about something else. Yeah, who share your fees? Who yes. But the question is, are you really there for your children emotionally? Are you there? Are you there? I've not realized why in here. No, am so broken? They are damaged inside because of the way you love. It is so shower. No person projecting insecurity and a toxic trait in a good innocent person. So there is the root cause. Why are so many bad boys and bad girls and as delinquents for the society? No problem about and I'm a pijaba no. And I know said they make any question. And I come here and say, to me open up at the chairman for more a parent. Why? Because you people are unavailable. I am being very, very straight and speaking straight because of the question. This particular topic, and you come with agoro, you come with Syria. Parents be unavailable. They are unavailable. A man kwadana broken. Over unimisa wo show ba u 20 years say one day baba na obane kunu you will not understand because akwada no oko bibimu. But we to be ankanche because obeka che okwa na wo be judge no. You are really going to judge that child. To say the outsiders for a judge no. But instead of you as a parent to have a good listening ears and listen to your children you ignore them. You don't even have time for them. I remember last 2 years as a last year, one girl be friend for UK. She was telling me a whole lot of sad things. The parents are busy working for money. Meanwhile, this child is going through trauma, going through pains. Yet parents are neglected. Senya me na me be mu na me ne kasa ya ka kwada no kwa kwada ne ade bia ni se kokoda ne kwada no kokobọ saa supi kuo no ho enya me edi na fofi obehu mi a enka bibi okupie ye no. You see the kind of things and enkwala aye so open up and the outsiders for no more. It's not obi to me because of ban until you say no because you don't even know your child. You don't even know your child. So ban or your day or go through depression or go through anxiety and found. But you think so, oh, me a parent, me yama said you are doing nothing. Unyashi. Na man nkwala bebre no akwara ketekete na wa hye no akonfo akwara ketekete de ba de pa no nimu ntia wo soko no medroku no ho. It's because we are unavailable ya ma edwuma ne die nim asɛm ya making me nka nhye say me nka nwa ho me ka hye wani wuo ana me ka so ma wadwena ba ho so we are wo fa wo hamia. Take this message in good faith. Don't try and come to the comment section and ask, say, you are being responsible. You are not. You don't even know your children. How many times do you even get closer to them and ask them, darling, what's really going on? And then I will go through. Tell me, is there anything you want me to do? Is there anything you want to tell me? This love is missing when it comes to African homes. This thing is missing. It is what? Missing. Mashada makoko shake table way. Mashada and me shake this table. You are not there for your children. And you talk about bunting. Na sabi guy be man small attention. Pen guy never run draws another. Because guy na man idea not all shishe. That's what attention. You don't even have attention for your children. Yet offer on parents. Nena ma youngest me brain no matter once our piano or feel freedom because if you who say you bunsam gem who say you shine so they don't listen to them. Yet we call ourselves parents. Parents. Near can say the why school fees in the wood you. Oh man is secure. But are you there emotionally? That's a question. Obano wato depression mu na unim. Obano or go through the man, but enfa ho. Kwala bebre wo Europe, o ma ye broken na munim. Na anza Africa, Ghana, especially Ghana, when it comes to depression, like I almost say it doesn't even exist. When it comes to Africa, they think depression and those things, it doesn't exist. And any 2 days here said day, police in the okunu eda kwano okunu eda TF said day. You people don't know. It is real. Depression real. Anxiety real. Do you have time for your children? Do you really have time for your children? Time mre wo mi embre bone. She nipa o ma depressed. Depressed. Are you there for your children? Obasha them baby almost 1 year ni. Do you even have time? Do you know say dwumwa kwa ba be di juwa beda unya tama akwada no. You think say akwada no ten no sesere no. On say the oba no life na ye devices, mobile phone, headset, computer, phone, rotation. Into ama oba no ni communication. And I may kind of shame when you woo me shaky table. I was say do time I was a parent when you buy and so. Mama when you there buy and so. Na ye. Aye. Ebusian for. I saw me the buy ye, minimum say my cow be yaw or soon because parents no no they were unavailable. Or taking some decision be am one be seen because of send parents any available or by kind of crowd so man the money more judging to say the outside is funny judging no but I like a parents get closer and in the panic asa yeah a show or daughter na because there were so many decisions like when they were taking abusan for hana me dem anu be si me question is say wo ba otumi open up e de kire papa na maame wo ma no omutumi open up and answer parents and your title and that also. And answer the mobile says you don't even care. On form who emotionally. Sa Quran or shed them suguni. Do you even know? Ebusian for how many no see. So me can you minimize but it's a fact. Channel where this is what we do. We shake tables. We bring out topics which is difficult say in confirm and we bring it. Mediani Olu and out of and Brad said. Nyanko Ponsha when I'm Cassia. If I so share your channel way so. Peace, shalom. We need your video. We want hit the like button. Share video if I'm our parent. Share video if I'm our parent. Whether I say on your time in the and also on your time out. Share man who say it's a great year. We say the year care for it. We can't afford saying kwala bebre be kum we can't. Nyankopɔn nhyira mo. Yɛbɛsan so ahyia bio. Peace. Shalom. Video mu ni na Nyankopɔn ɔnka mo ho.